Hello there, students. The first thing I would like to tell you about are radians. All right, when we're talking about radians, the conversion factor between radians and degrees, well, we know that a full circle is 360 degrees. Well, a full circle in radians is 2 pi. So half of a circle in radians is 180 degrees, that's 1 pi. And so this is our conversion factor. 180 degrees is just pi radians. So when we're doing all of these math problems, what we're going to do is we're going to either multiply by 180 over pi, or we're going to multiply by pi over 180. All right, so that is our conversion ratio. So let's try that. Let's see if we can convert these degrees to radians. In order to convert degrees to radians, we're going to have to multiply by pi over 180. Now, the reason we're going to put the 180 in the denominator is that so that the units will cancel. We'll have degrees and degrees to cancel to give us radians. So we're going to multiply by pi over 180, and when we do that, we're just going to multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom. And then it's simply a matter of reducing that fraction. And so you can see that 30 degrees equals pi over 6 radians. Now I'd like to point out to you how the 30 degrees here cancels with the 180 degrees. So since we have degrees and degrees canceling, that's how we have left our answer in radians. Okay, so again, whenever we're trying to convert degrees to radians, we're going to multiply by pi over 180. Multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom, and then reduce the fraction to get the final answer of negative 3 pi over 4 radians. Now let's see if we can convert from radians to degrees. In order to convert from radians to degrees, we need to multiply by the reciprocal of that fraction. So this time we're going to multiply by 180 over pi. Now we're multiplying by 180 over pi. The pi is in the denominator this time. That means that the pi, the radian part, is going to cancel out, and what we'll have left is degrees. Multiply by 180 over pi. Multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom. The pi's cancel out, and we have the answer of 60 degrees. And another example, this time we multiply by 180 pi over pi, multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom, cancel those pi's, and then we reduce those numbers to be 300 degrees.